Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a health bar that updates when the player gets damaged, which is perfect for PvP games, first person shooter games, which is the same thing, or an obby if you have a part that damages you. So I already have a part inserted in here that deals damage. As you can see, I go on the part, my health starts going down, and so our goal is to put a little health bar here that you can see and visualize it. So we're going to create a screen GUI, and I want you to make sure you name everything exactly like I do. So we're going to name this one health bar. Inside the health bar we're going to create a frame, which is going to be our health bar. We're going to size it down a little bit like this, and it's important, I want you to make the background more of a red color. You can go with a little light red, and I'm going to add a UI stroke and a UI corner, which makes it look a little nice. So now I'm going to actually name this frame background. Inside the background I want you to create another frame called health display. Now go to the size of the health display and do 1, 0, 1, 0, and it should be about the same size as the background. I'm going to put that UI corner there to have it sized up to about the same size. And actually we're going to color this one to be green because this is going to represent your health. Now I'm going to create a text label. You could put this in the background, and you could just size it down. I'm going to do probably the same thing. 1, 0, 1, 0. We're going to set the background transparency to 1, and the text is going to be health 100%. We're going to name the text label title. And now we're going to create a script, a local script. It's very important. Name the local script health bar manager. And you can just watch as I type. I'm going to time lapse it, and you can just pause the video at the end and copy it down. Alright, now we have our script and our variables along with the tween for when the health bar gets moved. So now we are going to we're going to create the tween. So local tween equals tween info, or tween actually equals tween service, so ts dot colon create script dot parent, which means the health display bar, or the health display, this green thing right here, is what's going to be changed around, comma tween info. So we're going to use these parameters right here for the tween info. So it's going to take 0.1 seconds, which is the only thing someone might want to change. And then we're going to do comma size equals udim2.new, do the damage divided by humanoid.max health, comma 0, 1, 0. So then we're going to do tween colon play. So what does this tween do, you might ask? So let me explain it to you. So the damage is basically how much health the player has left. So the player loses 10 health, damage will be equal to 90. So humanoid max health is 100, so it's 90 divided by 100, which is going to bring it down to like a decimal kind, or to a point that is less than 1, and it's going to do it on the XX. You'll just see when it happens, but that's essentially what it does, and it kind of just takes this little part right here and it kind of makes it go like this. That's essentially what that part does. Alright, so after this, so the tween's going to play script.parent.parent.title. Now we're going to title.text equals health colon space dot dot, and now math.floor, which takes a decimal. So like damage divided by human max health. So it's not just going to be like 0.8. It's going to be like 0.8370298. And we're going to take that and just make it into 8 or 80% essentially. And so it's going to do math.for damage dot percent. And now when we play, I go over here, my health goes down, and the little health bar updates. If you want, actually, I can make it a little bigger because it's kind of squeezed. So if we take this and this, make it a little longer, you can actually see the tween more in action. It's a little smoother when it's a little bigger, but the percent goes down, and see it's 72%. And I mean, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.